iFixit now sells Microsoft Surface parts for repair. iFixit now sells parts for the Surface Pro 9, Surface Laptop 5, Surface Go 4, and more. iFixit has started selling genuine replacement parts for Microsoft Surface devices. The company now offers SSDs, batteries, screens, kickstands, and a whole bunch of other parts for 15 Surface products. Some of the devices on that list include the Surface Pro 9, Surface Laptop 5, Surface Go 4, Surface Studio 2 Plus, and others. You can check out the entire list of supported products and parts in this post on Microsoft's website. In addition to supplying replacement parts, iFixit also offers disassembly videos and guides for each product, as well as toolkits that include things like an opening tool, tweezers, drivers, and more. Microsoft started selling its own Microsoft Surface parts in June, but iFixit has a far larger selection of parts for more products. As far as pricing goes, both Microsoft and iFixit seem to offer most of the same parts for the same price. For example, the replacement battery for the Surface 9 Pro is $237.99 on both sites, and the same goes for the $93.99 256 GB SSD for the Surface Laptop 5. However, some parts cost a little more on iFixit when the fix kit is included. This isn't the first time Microsoft has partnered with iFixit. In 2021, iFixit started selling official Microsoft Surface repair tools to certain service partners. Over the years, Microsoft has been improving the repairability of its Surface products and made battery replacements a whole lot easier with the Surface Pro 9.